Hello all, welcome back to iLovePhD. In this video, we are going to start a new series called Overleaf Latex Editor tutorial. This is the part 1 video about introduction to Overleaf Online Latex Editor. Watch this video till the end to get the complete detail about Overleaf and demo. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. What is Overleaf? Overleaf is a modern collaborative authoring tool found in 2012. Initially, it was created to help PhD scholars to edit their research papers, technical reports, theses, presentations, block diagrams, and other documents written in the latex markup language. Later, this technology is used by students and teachers in the institutions, labs, and other academic writing peoples. If you want to know more about Overleaf, I have written an article about 10 interesting facts about Overleaf. The link is given in the description below. Without further ado, let's jump into the demo. Let's go to Google, type Overleaf. Select the first link, Overleaf Online Latex Editor. This is the Overleaf homepage, the easy to use online collaborative latex editor. If you are a new user, you have to register. Otherwise, you can log in with your login credentials. You can register with Google ID or RCID ID, Open Researcher Collaborative ID. If you have that one, you can log in with that. I am logging with. I am going to register with my mail ID. I just registered. This is the Overleaf editor homepage. Welcome to Overleaf. If you are a new user, you can check the template and other documents. You can create the project using the option. You can create a blank project, or you can, if you already have a project, you can upload it. And you can also use the templates. These templates are nothing but these things, that is some steps like already through institutions, some thesis, presentations, and some resumes, or many steps are available in the template section. You can just upload it. You can download and upload, or you can open copy of this file in your account and you can modify it. I'm going to create a new project. Given a name, the project title is thesis. This is the project title, and this is the Overleaf Latex Online Latex Editors editing page. So let me explain each and everything. Okay, so this is the editor. This is the editing page. This is a PDF viewer. You can edit with source or rich text format. Okay, I chose source. These are all the tags we use in latex. If you don't know about latex and what is latex and why we using latex and what are the tags, I don't waste time by explaining that. So go to this template and check this quick guide to latex. Okay, just open this file. You can open a template or download a PDF. I'm just downloading a PDF. Okay, it's downloaded. You can use this template to learn about latex and different tags. Okay, so you can go and check in the template section. Now this is a PDF viewer. Whatever the changes you do here, okay, you can by recompiling it, you can see the updated results. Okay, this is the PDF viewer, and this is the log section. If there is any error, it will show the error. Otherwise, there is no error. It will show in the green color. If you see, I just remove this curly brace, then I'm recompiling it. So errors are coming. Okay, so this is the error log. Let me rectify it. So the PDF is compiled, there is no error. So this is the option to download the PDF. Okay, this is the editing and viewing section. So we'll go to the top, chat session. Chat is nothing but through this Overleaf we can collaborate with other researchers. Okay, you can share your latex file to the other researcher. So if you open to this link, you have to click the same link to close it. Okay, history is the very important option in online. This is Overleaf Online Latex Editor, because if you've done any modification in this, okay, and the updated version has any problem, you can go to the previous version. okay, easily you can go to the previous version. That is very useful thing. Okay, for example, the main version is here. I'm back, sorry, I'm going to make some modifications. Later works. Okay, so I did some modifications. Okay, I compiled it. So some updated version is created. Okay, I go to the history. In the updated version, if I had any problem means, so this is the previous version, this is the updated version. This is the previous version, there is no related works. This is the updated version, there is a related works and there are some text I have written. Okay, you can compare this. Okay, what are the modification you have done, you can compare. Okay, compared to the previous version, you have written something in the updated version, you can compare it. Also you can add a label, so you have to click the same to go from history. Submit is also important thing for students and scholars, like if they are writing thesis, okay, they should not use this button because this is for institutions and creators. So they make a synopsis templates and they will give a submit. Once they are giving a submit, okay, it will go to the Overleaf template. So Overleaf gallery is already there, I showed you here, right? So it will go to the Overleaf gallery or some other galleries. So what they will do is through this Creative Common license, they can reuse that particular template and they can modify it and they can use it. Share. You can collaborate with other researchers by inviting them using this share button. You just give your their mail ID and invite them. Upon inviting that invitation, they can access your data. Review, as I already said, if there is any modification is required, for example here, if you want to make any command, there is no reference, so I created a command. I share this file to the corresponding person. Okay, so he will open and he will respond. Okay, I added. Okay, just reply. So like this you can create a conversation. If you don't want this, if everything is resolved, you just click resolve and click the same button in order to come out of it. Okay, this is the thesis title, and let's move on to this panel. So there is no other files. If you want to add any new file means you have to click the new file and create a new file. Otherwise, if you want to create any new folder, you can create a new folder. If you want to add images or some other files means you have to upload it from yourself through URL or from any sources you can upload it. Okay, let's go to project upload area. So once the project is completed, you can download with the zip file. Otherwise, if you want only PDF, you can download with PDF. For example, I want this thesis as a PDF, I can download as a PDF and I can view it. Okay, so here it's downloaded. Then next is the copy project. I want to this is the one version. I want to make another version. I don't want to do any modification in this latest version means I can make a copy. Okay, the thesis. So I'm just creating the another copy of the thesis. Okay, so this is the latest version. I just go back. Okay, so in this version I did not do I don't want to do any modification further, so I just kept it same, and I'm going to do modification in this latest version. So I just click it and go back. That's it. Okay, then next thing is word count. How many words presented in the some journals want to make sure that how many words you used in your abstract, introduction and overall manuscript, how many words you have used. You can simply check from here. Whenever there are 3 headers and 4 words, where is that 4 words? There are many researchers, these are the words, and these headings, those things won't count. Okay, then you can synchronize this file with the online repositories, so it won't delete it, right? Okay, whenever you do modification, it will automatically store in the cloud. So this is a latex editor. There are several distributions are available. PDF latex is one of the standard one. You just make sure it's selected with the PDF latex. That's it for today. In the upcoming sessions, we'll learn about document editing, error correction, equations writing, image uploading, and so on. Hope you got some basic idea about Overleaf. Don't forget to like, share this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more research related updates and demos. Thank you. Good luck.